Hey, David Peterson, publicdomainphotography.com. What I'm going to do right now is show you how to quickly edit this document. Okay, so select horizontal type tool or T, click on the letter, remove the word, open up your document, copy the word, remember 102, paste, make sure the word is readable. In this case that is abhorrent. It looks pretty good. So file, export, save for web legacy. It's at the minute it's 1.1 megabyte file, so let's just bring that down to 50. See how we're looking, 425, that looks good. JPEG medium 50, JPEG medium 50, internet standard RGB, copyright and contact info 3000 1994 by cubic sharper, save. Click on your desktop, select the file you're going to save it in, and add code JSB 102, JSB 102 abhorrent hyphen image only, save. Select horizontal type tool. Oh, sorry. Go to red, open red. You don't need to close the blue, just open red, and then file, save as. Oh, hang on, sorry. Then go to file, export, save as web legacy. Check the data is the same, medium 50, optimized, internet standard RGB, copyright and contact info, 3000 1994 by cubic sharper, save. And then if you'd have copied it before, that would have been a good idea, just to save you a few seconds. Let me just find the file that I just saved. 1 second, guys. Okay, so let's just go BBRE 102. So you just need a different file name for the red and the blue, just obviously so there's no conflict. And then you can, you would have had abhorrent in here already, because you wouldn't have messed up the way I did. Paste, desktop, save, take red off, select horizontal type tool, and move on to the next word. As long as it's readable, that's absolutely fine. As long as it's readable. You may have to use free transform at times if the word's a bit long, just to make it a little bit more user friendly. If at any point that you feel you'd like to move the word around, click on the word, Control T, and then you can use the free transform tool and just move the word to a nice suitable position. So this is absurd. Okay, I hope that helps, guys. Any questions, just ask. File names are important and I will send them to you separately. Thanks very much. Bye.